This week is we're going to do a mustardy cauliflower cheese. So here's the recipe, and then here is what it should look like. As it's now falling into autumn, nice comfort food, fantastic with like a Sunday roast. In terms of cooking equipment, use this to steam off the cauliflower. Crusade sets. Finally finished this off. We're going to grill this with the cheddar cheese on top to give it that really nice crisp finish.
Alexa, set the timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Starting now.
first time I've really done this recipe, not done cauliflower cheese in a long time. Perfect time of the year to do this. This recipe is absolutely brilliant. It's a really good book, this, the Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook. What I've slightly done is just slightly modified this recipe. Used a much reduced fat, which is the eatlean, 3 grams of fat per 100 grams, 3% fat, which is absolutely brilliant. And then I decided to use the Hot Phoenix, which is the Orsom range, spicy chili cheddar, and just to add the flavour again. So although this has got more fat, it just sprinkled on top with the breadcrumbs. Absolutely amazing. Really looking forward to having this with our roast chicken tomorrow. Yes, fantastic. So this is what it looks like, and it smells absolutely amazing. My wife is just hovering around the house, you know, cleaning while I'm cooking. So yes, so really hope you're enjoying the show. Please make sure you subscribe. There's lots of different videos to choose from, lots of different healthy and cultural different foods, and also foods that are wholesome, you know, using lots of plant-based food and using cooking from scratch. So really important for these times. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Enjoy.